Look at this little toy I picked up. Okay. Okay. Oh, I've got it on photo mode. Time lapse video. Take a video of myself here. Hi. This is 60 frames per second. What does it look like 60 frames per second on the front facing camera? Not at all. And it's dark. This light is right in front of me here. Let's grab a cup of tea. Wait, the light should be quite nice. Except there's a storm coming in. There's a storm coming in. Can you see it? It's dark. So this is cinematic. What does that mean? Cinematic is usually 24 frames per second. And it says 4K 60L plus. It looks quite steady when I shake it, when I actively shake it. Oh, this looks interesting. This looks interesting. Oh God, I left this running. You can see it looks quite stable when it's like shaking. Okay, I'm gonna have to have a look at this footage now. Very interesting.